Tip 1. When shopping for walkers for seniors at Walmart, it's important to consider the adjustability of the walker. Many models have adjustable height settings that can be tailored to the user's specific height. This is crucial for ensuring correct posture and comfort when using the walker. Make sure to check this feature before making a purchase. Tip 2. Pay close attention to the walker's weight capacity. Each walker is designed to support a certain amount of weight. It's vital to choose a walker that can comfortably support the user's weight. Overloading a walker can lead to instability and potential accidents. Tip 3. Consider if a walker with wheels or one without is the best fit. Some seniors prefer walkers without wheels as they provide more stability, but they do require more energy to move. Walkers with wheels, on the other hand, are easier to maneuver but may require more balance. Tip 4. Look for walkers with added features such as a seat or baskets for increased convenience. These added features can come in handy for seniors who may need to rest frequently or carry items with them. Tip 5. Think about the width of the walker. A wider walker will offer more stability but may be more difficult to navigate in narrow spaces. Make sure the walker is wide enough to provide stability, yet narrow enough to fit through doorways comfortably. Tip 6. Examine the grip on the handles. Look for a model with soft, comfortable grips to ensure they are easy on the hands during use. Ergonomic handle designs can also reduce stress and fatigue. Tip 7. Understand the importance of the walker's weight. A lighter walker will be easier to pick up and transport, but it might be less stable than a heavier model. Seek a balance between stability and easiness to carry. Tip 8. Consider purchasing an extra set of walker glides or wheels. These parts tend to wear out over time, and having an extra set on hand can be convenient. Tip 9. Don't forget about the assembly process. Some walkers come fully assembled, while others require assembly. Make sure that you, or someone else, will be able to handle the assembly if it's required. Tip 10. Take advantage of Walmart's return policy. If the walker doesn't meet your needs or expectations, you'll be able to return it easily. Always keep your receipt and follow their return policy. Tip 11. Read through product reviews before your purchase. Other customers' opinions can give you a real insight into the functionality, durability, and overall quality of the walker. However, do remember every individual's needs and preferences differ, so what works for others may not work for you.